Welcome to the Implement a ZENworks Service Desk Store course preview. In this course, you learn how to deploy the ZENworks Service Desk appliance, perform basic Service Desk configuration tasks, import and configure LDAP users from a source such as Active Directory, prepare for the Service Desk Store by creating workflows, service level agreements, and teams, configure the Service Desk Store itself, and add items to the store from ZENworks, such as software bundles or managed hardware. By the end of this course, you'll know how to roll out and configure the Service Desk appliance in a virtual environment such as VMware, how to connect to ZENworks to leverage bundles and other ZENworks assets as store items, how to build the Service Desk components you need to create a store, how to use existing Active Directory users and groups for store access and Service Desk teams, and how to configure and test your store. Your learning experience includes expert content, audio narrative, product demonstrations, self-paced learning anytime, anywhere, just for you, lesson manuals that you can download, and 1 year of access by subscribing to the Micro Focus on-demand online learning system. I hope you'll embark on this journey to learn how to build your own ZENworks Service Desk Store with the Implement a ZENworks Service Desk Store course at Micro Focus. You can purchase this course today by going to the on-demand How to Buy page and purchasing the Training Endpoint Management subscription. Your Endpoint Management subscription includes access for one individual to all ZENworks courses for 1 year.